create the education page. You're welcome to my design workshop, where I help beginner content creators build design skills and put them to use. Because in this workshop, we practice what we learn. Now I'm going to extend the length of this page to about, let's see how many seconds. I'll extend it to about 10 seconds as well. To about 10 seconds. Yeah, this is fine. Now let's add our sixth page. I'll press the plus button over here and then change the background color to white. Now I'll press T and put a heading. We can easily also do it this way. Go over to the previous page, copy accomplishments, and then bring it over here. I'll change this to education. Change the color of the text to our navy blue, dark gray blue color. Now let's add an outline. Because our page is white, we can't see the outline yet. I'll just zoom out. We can't see the outline yet, but in a bit we will, because things are about to change. Next, I'm going to look for a video. I'm just going to type in here, library. Let's see. This at the moment is showing photos. I'm going to click on video. Let's see. I'm looking for a free, this one. It's called academic setting African American man. Okay. I'll click on it and then I will set video as the background. Now we can see the outline of the word education. Now I'm going to reduce the transparency of this video like that. It's at 20. Now I'm going to bring a square from the element section. I'll close this. Because I've already used a square, I'll find one over here in the recently used section. Now let's extend. I'm going to type out the education in this square. Just open it up slightly and then duplicate. And then duplicate. Control D, Command D. Now I need to see the full page, so I will zoom out just to make sure everything is the right size. I'm going to move this up right here. Open it up some more and then open this one up as well. Just close this up a little bit. Now I'm going to change the color of this one to white. And then I'll change this one to the dark gray blue color. This one's slightly bigger, so I will reduce the size a bit and increase the size of this one. Yeah, so play around until you find that they are even. Okay, next up, it's time to bring on some text. I'll press the letter T. Next, it's time to bring on some text. So I'll go back to the fourth page, copy the date from there, and then bring it on here. It's white, so I just need to change the color to our dark gray blue color. The font size of the date is going to be 40. Next, I'm going to add the course of study. So I'll duplicate this, select the dates, duplicate it, and I will type in here master's degree in project management. And I'll stretch it out. All caps. I'm going to left align it and then position it right under the date. I'll change the font size to 30. And then I'll duplicate that and change this bit to a few courses. Okay. Now I'll just stretch this out like that. The next thing I'm going to do is I'll lock this background in place, and then I'll copy all of the text copy and paste it on here. I'll position it on the second page, change the color to white so that it is legible. And then I'm going to take the bold and I'm going to change this from bold to just normal font. So the font weight has been changed. We're almost there. I'll change this one to bachelor's degree. All caps. Now I'll reorganize things, lift it up so that it's not too spaced out. Like that. And then I'll reposition this in the center. Somewhere here is fine. I'll do the same here. I'll just move things up. Move this up a little bit more. Yeah. Okay. Then I'll lock the background. If you happen to find that your elements in the background are moving around, all you have to do is lock it like I just did. And then I'll copy this and reposition it in the center like that. Now let's animate our text. I'm going to group all of them. Since our background is locked, I can select everything and group. Do the same for the second text. I'll just group that. Next, I'll select this one and go to animate. We're going to use clarify so that it slowly gets organized on the page. Looking for clarify. Oh, clarify, where are you? Okay, no. This is text element. Yeah. I'll click on clarify and then I will go in and do the same for this one. Animate, go to element and then click clarify. Next, I'm going to remove animation that's on the square because I don't want the square. I'm just going to undo. I'm going to remove the animation on the square because I don't want that to move. So remove animation and then I'll unlock this and remove the animation as well. So only the text will move. All right, let's preview this page to see what it looks like. I'll click I'll click on this page and we can preview it. I'll just start over here to preview. Our Sith page is done. I'll see you in the next one. Now go on and get creative.